I've got a B9 SQ5 with 45,000 miles on it. Before I load up stage 3 or stage 1 93 octane, what maintenance would you suggest prior to tuning? On the B9, these are pretty new cars, and they don't quite have the same type of issues that the B8s have at being like
I mean,
5 to 10 years old.
45,000 still
I would just,
quite a.
I would just recommend, make sure you're caught up on all your maintenance, your factory maintenance. I don't know. You don't need to do anything, but you could like change the oil, maybe put some fresh plugs in, but you don't need to. If you really want to do something, you could. And I would say virtually all of our B9 customers currently are just flashing on the car they drive and maintain as normal.
Yep.
There's nothing needed. The B8s, you've got a 10-year-old uh, air to water intercooler. You've got 10-year-old factory cats that have seen hell. You have aging and more Achilles heel issues. The B9 3.0T so far, I don't think we've seen really any issues.
Not like an Achilles thing. I mean,
in 3-4 years, they're really
there's of
full.
course all the refinement stuff you can put around it as far as inserts, mounts, that kind of thing to help with power, the added power. But not. I mean, that's why on our website as well we list required and recommended hardware, and there aren't any for the stage one. If it's a well maintained vehicle, you should be in good shape.